Good morning to all of you. I am sure you are aware that there is a tussle or rift going between the central government or Union of India and the Twitter, which is a social media giant. The crux of the issue is regarding the implementation of the new Information Technology Rules or Ethics Code 2021 framed by the Government of India and which has to be implemented by all the social media platforms. Of course, you know that WhatsApp has already approached the Delhi High Court, whereas Twitter, it has expressed its opinion that there will be no net neutrality if the traceability rules implemented. So in that connection, the Parliament Standing Committee President Mr. Shashi Tharoor also warned the Twitter that they have to abide by the rule of law of the state. Because once you have to be in India, you have to do business in India, definitely you have to abide by the rules and regulations of the concerned state. While matters were like this, it so happened that on 25th January, 50th June 2021, that is on Thursday, it so happened, I think it's not 26, on 27, yes, on 25th, correct. So, the Twitter account of the Union Information Technology Minister, Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad, it has been suspended. It has been blocked for 1 hour. Almost for 1 hour it was blocked. He could not pass any tweets from his Twitter account. Then after unblocking, after 1 hour, then he has claimed that it is highly arbitrary, high-handed, one-sided, because India has asked them to implement the so-called information technology rules as a retort. They have resorted to this, which is highly objectionable. Of course, when he has made a complaint, then Twitter reacted, stating that Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, he has violated US copyright law. That means what he has done is, actually, he has, at the end of message, he has added the song Ma Tujhe Salam, which was composed by A.R. Rahman, and for which the copyrights are vested with Sony Music Enterprises. So, according to the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, if anybody gives a complaint, so more than 20 members if they complain, definitely this account will be blocked for certain time to state that he has exceeded the so-called, he has violated the copyright law. Now, in order to say that Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad has violated the US copyright law and therefore they have blocked his account for 1 hour. But in the opinion of others, it is like this, because the government has called the staff of Manish Maheshwari and that Ayushi Kapoor, advocate, all these people, they were called to the headquarters in Delhi and they were made to they have been asked to implement the rules. Of course, they have politely refused and they came out stating that they have to get permission from the headquarters. And Ghaziabad police, they have registered a case against the Twitter regarding that Ghaziabad incident wherein a Muslim he was asked to chant something or in that case. But of course, the Supreme Court has given a leverage that this Manish Maheshwari of Twitter, he can be inquired from on virtually, like that they have given some relief also. But anyway, now yesterday the Union IT Minister who passed the IT rules, so he has to face the wrath of the Twitter, or he was given jhalak by the Twitter. Maybe I am sure that they will not go for that extent, but their policy will be like that. So if suppose if you get any message, like suppose if your Facebook account is actually some fake account is created, then you have to inform through 20 people. 20 people have to inform or complain to the Facebook that so and so account fake account has been created. Then they will definitely delete that fake account. Likewise, if Twitter receives multiple complaints, definitely they will be suspending the account of the concerned person, maybe a minister, maybe a home minister. They do not bother. They are not bothered because their head office is located in USA, and they will be normally following the principles or guidelines given by the Twitter. But anyway, this incident comes in the midst of a tussle between the center and Twitter over the company's failures to comply with the new IT Act rules, which came into effect on May 21st, I'm sure. Mr. Prasad, that is Ravi Shankar Prasad, said his account was blocked for almost an hour. He shared a screenshot of the Twitter's notice, which said that it has received a complaint. Digital Millennium Copyright Act notice for content posted on your account. So, and warrant, the Twitter has given a warrant also. Accruing multiple DMCA strikes, so could lead to a suspension of your account. So anyway, this is an entertaining topic for all the news readers, because till now we have seen the Twitter being called by the government. Now Twitter is holding the account of Indian IT Ministry itself. Anyway, let us hope some reasonable solution will be there. Thank you.